What's in the box?
Hello and welcome to another episode of What's in the Box, the series where I unpack all the stuff that I buy. And it's been a while now since I made one, but for this model here I wanted to do another unboxing video, so here we are. And here's a hint of what's to come. This card from the Verstappen shop already tells you where it's from. And I actually pre-ordered it quite some time ago, well, not the card but the thing inside the box, and now here it is. So here we go. And it is the Max Verstappen Mini Champs 118 Abu Dhabi Grand Prix World Champion model. As I mentioned before, this is the fanshop exclusive edition. And it's limited to 6,500 pieces. Mine is number 578. Now 6,500 is quite a lot, you can barely call it limited. But they are actually all been long sold out. Let's open up the box now. And let's discover the model itself then. And right, yeah, I think that looks quite impressive. Here's a little extra too in this plastic holder here. We'll have a look at that later on. But yeah, let's have a look at the model now. And well, yeah, the first thing that springs into eye though are the tires. Mini Champs have actually replicated the tire pickup. This is of course when the driver collects all the loose rubber marbles offline to compensate for the rubber and weight loss during a race. And this is the first time I've seen this on a 1/18 scale model. They have also added the special Pirelli quip in these arches then, and the extra blue tire markings as well. Here's also a quick look then at these few extras included with the model. I don't know how to, this way, yeah, maybe. Yeah, then there is a pit board celebrating Max's championship win. And it's really nicely made, I think, out of a very thin metal. The special figurine then looks quite good too, I think. Looks down to scale and everything, and I'll just place it with a model. I don't really know where it goes. I'll just put it here then, and add the pit board as well. So yeah, this was a quick unboxing video of this Mini Champs 118th Max Verstappen title winning Red Bull RB16B. I hope you enjoyed it. Expect a review of it soon, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, please like the video, check out the other review videos on the channel, and why not subscribe to it? It's free and really helps me out making this kind of content. So yeah, thank you and see you later. Bye bye.